Chutu Maharani's to hinder me. If they hinder, it is abruptly. When I to take this man, is the sea exploding, that crime doing against humanity he is promoting personally. Even I to see these peoples also, if they are doing knowingly, but these peoples he has to take quick actions against these peoples who are disturbing the whole world, human lives, the climate change, premature death. These peoples who are disturbing our life stability by doing this barbad in the name of planet securing, as if removing these debris, etc. But they are doing worst crime doing against whole world humanity. These peoples, as a criminal, why to I to mention this?
But if you want to write essays,
These peoples, I to explain this what they are claiming for 60 years, but they are since last 60 years doing devastation with lives of the humanity and other creatures on the earth, sea, and even celestials, dead souls. After killing, they are putting in the hell in the iron junk, in the deep sea, coiling, twisting, shearing earth inner gravitational force, and putting the deep jungles of irons in the deep sea, most vulnerable thermodynamics and sea mechanism, where the whole life stability is there, and they to do the disturbance of this crime. These peoples to take care of these robots, heavy metallic systems, and that is so searching powers of this camera, sonar camera and other cameras, they can make visualize of the whole life on the earth, even celestial, to damage with magnetic field. These peoples are, very wrongdoer. Very wrongdoer, these people are very wrongdoer. Going in the deep sea, in the naked, doing vulgar sex, in the mass, they are very wrongdoer. They particularly Woodland Holy Oceanographic Institute, it is for unholy purposes. And how this US government and the NOAA, that National Oceanographic Administrative Authority, and the PADI, how these peoples to help these PADI peoples to certify the PADI. They were very wrongdoer. The PADI peoples, the PADI, why to blame the PADI, the first oceans. First oceans, where did the earth's water come from? They see all these criminals to mislead the earth weight. They are doing a lot of wrongdoing with the oceans. এই যে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার বা ইন্ডিয়ানস these criminals, they are doing crime, misleading all these activities. This is the vast oceans they are misusing. These peoples who are making vulnerable with creating so much man-made web and disturbing the whole climate, whole world people's life as a distressed place. It is a horrible condition for the US peoples. Peoples remain in government, secretaries. They cannot excuse their responsibility. Not Joe Biden, but Donald Trump has tried. He has first to go against these peoples, but he was defeated wrongly, doing crime against the civil people. I actually originally I wanted to show this. What is the role of PADI? PADI doing great job as if with sex exploration, no one uttering any amenities. I watched this PADI great job doing exploration. I am not asking Noah. Then what will be that? The 60 years job किया ये PADI, if it is PADI, the legendary National Geographic exploration sea in this deep sea, That Sigalus, I know the Pedi, Edo Pedi in India. But how this Pedi has come to India? And this, they are doing very wrong in the whole Mexico. And how Modi government, they are entertaining these peoples to come and to reach what is the greater fathers. And it is a crime doing against Indian and to malign this Indian society. Although these are Indians who are now FDI, wrong money, wrong men are dipping the vessels and this crime doings in India coming in the Goa, Panaji Oceanographic Institute, they should do not entertain these peoples.
And it was just so amazing how we
I put on this day occasion when you are trying to blame these people to do wrong, this vulgar, you should not allow women to enter. See, women, no people to enter in the women, and women should not be go Indian outside India. And these peoples do not should be that any Dubai who has raped and remained, he has to be banned and put into the cell for the whole life. And I on this time put very objectionable. If this how to become scuba divers, career in scuba diving, and that perspective has to be banned for permanently. And you know, you have to, and this is crime doing. These people, if in India, you cannot, वो my mother के language में मैं बोल दे रहा हूँ अभी तो मैं इसको कहता they are doing with these vessels in the mass damaging our life and the whole world life. They should not come into India. The Modi has to ban these peoples for forever and to put those peoples in jail until my supervision they will be tried and to end their life in brutal manner. I declare, as they have done so wrong in the name of such misleading word that cannot be excusable at all.
आज हैप्पी इंडिया टीम
And Narendra Modi also will be put and others, Harshvardhan also, that will be put in the trial for life ending of their others. So they has to face their similar manner, brutal punishment getting life ending in the throwing in the boiling water, boiling oil pots, and also ticketing their penis and heads. This is that what type of
और एक सर्टिफाइड स्कूबा डाइवर
ये जो भी ये हिंदी वगैरह में जो प्रशांत महासागर को जो बात वो कहता है दैट इज वेरी रॉन्ग ये इसको रॉन्ग है आई नॉट entertain this kind of crime doing at all. I have given objection. So a NASA is also doing wrong to help these peoples.
You see, starting my business.
Yes, you all idiot to Bokbash,
That was chaos.
criminals of Indian bonds.
ये सूर्य
This is the Surya जो भी है NASA is helping and NOAA
ब्रह्मांड में
National Oceanographic Authorities is a very wrongdoing against the world human doing crime. Paddy. I particularly blame Paddy, Professional Diver International Association, Scuba Divers. The Paddy should not be entertained in India. What they are originally of California, they have devastated in going in the Japan. They have devastated all these Asians' lives. So many earthquakes, Nepal, etc. These people, hey man has it is man. These men of this IIT Kharagpur, Manish Singh Hoga, nephews, sisters, sons, BBC reporters, and sometimes they do go crime. This criminal, he has to be put into the jail immediately brought back in India with Greta. With Greta, all these people has to be brought in India.
I have to say it's
Whatever you want to say, you say, and I cannot माय मदर वो वहाँ से
There's
लोग
a
हमका
crime.
मदर के
Detectives
साथ
follow the
वो
clips. They get close, but then
मेक्सिको
they
गल में
reach
रहती है,
the
वो
water.
उनको
So they
मेरे
call
को
in
बॉडी के उनके
underwater
साथ को ये
criminal
कर रहा है.
investigator.
This wrong doing. It is no prospect you are doing crime against humanity, and that is a ban. And
That's
all
my
these
parent.
U.S. politicians
Hold on.
who
This
have
is my parent.
taken fund from this underwater sea, who dipping these cruise industries and cargoes, etc. They are making huge money, and they are invisible hands to kill the
Is it to get rid of a murder?
world real scientist and scholarship politician to replace the old world high-tech giant tech. And this today's social media, they are doing what's giant crime as the self-sufficient, all these people's Indian bonds who have gone USA that's to brought under trial, bringing in this. And also Reserve Bank, Niti Aayog, the Indians, IIT, Kharagpur, all this institute, Calcutta, Jainu, Jadavpur, have to put into. Our planet is not safe at all. All these wrongdoers who are to boast and wrong activities who has captured UN bodies, etc.
Full of obstructions.
So, if they allow me, UN,
Is there when you get in the water.
I told the UN.
You'll never find it.
UN.
I said, well, we'll see.
Oh, UN. UN video. This is the Security Council of these peoples are also doing wrong UN, where these culprit criminals has reached in the name of coronavirus, COVID handling, they are only created, developed this virus. So I united the nation to put these objections that you and Security Council peoples who are liars, criminals, where democracy is not there, those cannot represent. It is I'm Dr. Rabindranath Roy. I am putting this video. So you have seen this video that our planet has been very vulnerable. At the present times, United Nations Security Council leaderships who are bastards, criminals, not fit for this to save the world humanity. We have to reform that UN Security Council, particularly throwing these criminals, liars, imposters, and foolish who are integrity is very doubtful, who have gone against world humanity, those have to be raised. So this is my video to blame PADI, UN, World Health Organization, World Meteorological, WTO, and the UNESCO, Atomic Energy Commissions, then California, so Los Angeles, film industries, Houston, Bobby Jindal, Steel, Florida, Miami, Virginia, Pennsylvania, all sea peoples and manufacturers, giant tech, and that Sylvan Concurrence, NASA, etc., all these peoples. I have to blame the United Nations present regime and who are in control.
On the other side of the mirror of the ocean.
These are doing, even this work are doing for others doing very wrong. Oh, that all these people is unsuitable. Particularly the China people are very wrong. They're not following the democracy, and that man has to, Joe Biden has to also give answer for if he has taken wrong money from this currency peoples and Indians, particularly who are wrongdoing, who are replaced the skills. There's a lot of this crime doing with this world people's stadium. These have these criminals, except this man who has been misled by the other peoples, and this is the culprit criminal, Satan, Indian Satan. This Satan has to be taken very badly, and this man has do a lot of cheating against Donald Trump to defeat. Also, these are supporters, peoples. So this I to blame on this day. When Greta related team is being blamed, they have killed Sushant Sarma, Arun Jaitley, Atal Bihari, Sushma Swaraj, Manohar Parrikar, etc. Get stole one the scientist and all that Hemanta Mukherjee, Uttam Kumar, Satyajit Ray, all other scientists that our Yashan Bose, Subhas Bose, they have killed Gunami Baba, etc. All these people. I cannot endorse this recent election winning of his and his Kandula starting. He was not Democrat, he is promoting culprit. This man has also answered about. And he's put in scanner. And these people should have shelved and remain silent, Rahul Gandhi. All these people has to give answer to me and whole world, humanity, civil society.